And then
Adora, what did you get over there in the tray?
some kinetic sand.
Kinetic sand?
Yeah.
How does it work?
It was like this.
It looks like regular sand. Is it regular sand?
No.
What does it do?
It's like whee! And you know how I sand it? I put it like a ball, and then poof. And then
Eee, this looks like kind of, is it nasty? Or is it fun? Is it wet? Show me your hands. Show me your hands. After they're clean. So this sand doesn't leave any traces?
it does not do that.
It does not? Okay, let's take a close up. Now show how it... We saw a video called Kinetic Sand. Is that the same?
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting.
And I put like this in a building.
Can you make sculptures out of it?
Yeah.
Can you show one?
I'm going to make a little sculpture. I'm going to make one like this. I'm going to make one like this. Look at this little sculpture. Look at this sculpture. Look at this sculpture.